Meet Adam. He works in IT. Adam wanted to shift his career to work in cybersecurity, where he found out it has greater opportunities, not to mention that average salaries working in cybersecurity are much higher than they are in IT jobs. Adam decided to get training and certificates to join the field and apply for jobs right away. He took many cybersecurity training, certificates, and applied for various cybersecurity jobs. But he was not able to get any jobs, not even a single interview. Adam finally realized that training and certificates are not enough. He was missing the most important thing to find a job, which is real experience. Adam heard about the Cybersecurity Specialist Workshop provided by InfoSec for TC, a program that not only teaches candidates cybersecurity, it also provides them with a working experience on real projects and real operational activities. That's exactly what Adam needed and what qualifies him to find a job. Adam found candidates' feedback on how the program helped them get their dream jobs, and he decided to join us. After he completed the program, he updated his CV with the real experience he gained and the real applications of what he'd learned in a real business environment, and was called for many interviews. He finally ended up with his dream job in the cybersecurity field, like many others. InfoSec for TC is not just training, it's a real experience sharing.